Last restore of the day, and I'm here with Christian.
Hello, guys.
I see some fluorescent tubes might be useful. These 20 watters. How much are they? Does it say? I'm probably gonna grab those.
Well, I'm glad you found something. The coolest thing I saw was this here. I've been looking for a swag version of one of these for a while.
Are you gonna get it?
No, it's not swag. I'd have to do too much work. I'm lazy.
Oh, it's not that much work.
Yeah,
Looks like they got a bunch of these 2 footers.
I've got a few fixtures at home, anyways, that I need to do some work on.
What are these?
Yeah, I know you're more of a fluorescent guy than I am. I mean, I like them and I like watching the startups on them, but
I thought you said there was a fan. A fan over here? Oh, it's over there. Okay, hold on. Let's look over here first. Looks like there's some more of these. Maybe I'll get all of those.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, they look like they could probably be useful to you.
We need some round globes for the church. I don't see any here though.
No, yeah, this is where I got that spare set of shades for this Summerlin, by the way, that one time, and this is also where I got that Prominence Hero. So nice.
Oh, they got a lot of old stuff here. Any of these fuses, 20 amps?
I really could not tell you. I did look. They've got a dimmer here.
Like all 15s. Oh, here's some 20s. Maybe I'll get that too.
Oh, you need those for the
yep.
The center or whatever?
Yeah. Are these 20s? Yep. I think we'll get. They'll make a little pile here.
Some useful stuff. So there weren't any fan. How many restores did you stop at?
3.
3, and there was only one that had anything sort of interesting.
Well, you can watch the videos. Obviously, I'm trying to remember what they had. The first one had something vintage. I don't remember what was it. Oh, like a Moss heirloom, but it was a really late one with ball socket and stamped motor.
The regular. Oh, well, they're not Moss canopies. They're antique canopies.
Right, we've learned that recently.
But yeah, here's the one. These are very similar to the ones that are at the youth center. I had someone ask me how these compare to some Monte Carlo, and this one's actually $28. When I got the new in-box Hero, it was $3. Actually, like $2.67 or something like that. Like, it was cheap. That would make a good fan. Like,
okay, I think that's going to be it for this video, right?
Yeah,
there's nothing else to show?
Too much. Here, usually they don't have a whole lot of vintage. I noticed there's a lot of presence of Menards around here.
Oh, absolutely. This is Menards headquarters. We'll see if we can find another thrift store, though. Wonder what they got in here.
A couple. But yeah, there's some sort of bulbs in there.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.